Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to trace a given particular curve, as that part is very important to solve the problems, to find area under the curve and also areas between the curve. So let us start with it. Tracing of curves. Before starting this topic, we should understand the basic terminologies. Out of that, the first terminology is called as symmetry. In symmetry, the first point that we should understood is that for a given function, if I replace y by minus y and the function remains unchanged, in such cases the given function is symmetric along the x-axis. While the second point says, for a given function, if I replace x by minus x and the function remains unchanged, it means that function is symmetric along the y-axis. For a function to be symmetric along the x-axis or to be y-axis, you should understand that out of the two variable x or y, one will have even power like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. If in the equation of curves, if we replace x by minus x and also y by minus y, and again the function remains unchanged, then you should understand that this curve will be symmetric along the opposite quadrants. That is, the part in the first and the third quadrant will be opposite and at the same time it will be symmetric, while same is for second and fourth quadrant. Now the second point is curve through different points. Out of that, first one is curve through origin. If I say for a given equation of curve, a constant is absent, like if we say plus 3 plus c, that constant part is absent, it means your curve will pass through the origin. The second point is tangent to the origin. The equation of the tangent at the origin is obtained by equating the lowest degree term present to 0. The last point that we should understand during the tracing of curves is intersection with the coordinate axis. For a particular curve, if you need to find the point of intersection with x-axis, just simply put the value of y as 0 in that curve, so you can get the value of x where it will intersect x-axis. Similarly, if you need to find the point where it is intersecting y-axis, for that you need to substitute x as 0, so that you will get that point where the curve is intersecting y-axis. So these are the basic points that you should remember whenever you trace a particular curve. I hope friends you have understood this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.